Dear students, see here page number 9, question number 4. Write applications of Wheatstone's bridge. See here applications. Number 1. This is used for measuring the values of very low resistance. Number 2. For measuring the quantities like resistance of galvanometer, capital G, capacitance, inductance and impedance, Wheatstone bridge is used. See here question number 5. Explain with neat circuit diagram how you will determine the unknown resistance by using a meter bridge. See here meter bridge. This is the circuit diagram. X unknown resistance, capital R resistance box. See here meter bridge wire is this A B. D is null point or balancing point. Lx and Lr are the corresponding lengths. Epsilon is cell, key K and RH is rheostat. Meter bridge consists of a wire of uniform cross section of it is of 1 meter length and stretched on a meter scale which is fixed on a wooden table. Below two L-shaped metallic strips, the ends of wire A and B are fixed. These are the metallic strips, two L-shaped metallic strips. The central metallic strip separates two L-shaped strips, leaving two gaps, left gap and right gap. An unknown resistance capital X is connected in left gap. Resistance box capital R is connected in right gap. One terminal of galvanometer is connected to terminal C on the central strip. Other terminal of galvanometer is connected to jockey J. Jockey is made in contact with the wire AB, a cell of EMF epsilon with a key K and a rheostat RH are connected between the points capital A and capital B. Now, a suitable resistance capital R is selected from resistance box. The jockey is brought in contact with AB at various points on wire AB, or it is touched on wire AB and the balance point or null point D is obtained. When jockey is on the balance point, the galvanometer shows no deflection or zero deflection. Let Lx is the length of wire between A and D. Let Lr is the length of wire between D and B. Using conditions for balance, capital X upon capital R is equal to R of AD divided by R of dB, equation number 1, where R of AD is equal to resistance of part AD of wire. R of dB is equal to resistance of part dB of wire. If small l is equal to length of the wire, rho is equal to specific resistance, capital A is equal to area of cross section, then R of AD is equal to rho into L of AD divided by A, and R of dB is equal to rho into L of dB divided by capital A, equation number 2. Putting these values in equation 1, capital X upon R is equal to R of AD upon R of dB. But LAD is equal to L of X and L of dB is equal to L of R, therefore is equal to rho into Lx upon A divided by rho into Lr upon A is equal to Lx upon A into A by Lr, that is As to A gets cancelled. Therefore X upon R is equal to Lx upon Lr. Therefore X is equal to Lx upon Lr into capital R, equation number 3. Knowing capital R and Lx and Lr, the values of unknown resistance capital X can be determined. Question number 6. State sources of errors in meter bridge experiment. Explain how they can be minimized. Sources of errors or errors. Number 1. Cross-section of the wire may not be uniform. Number 2. The ends of the wire are soldered to the metallic strip where contact resistance is developed, which is not taken into account, that is not considered. Number 3. The measurements of Lx and Lr may not be accurate. To minimize the errors. Number 1. The value of capital R is so adjusted that the null point is obtained to middle one third of the wire, that is between 34 cm and 66 cm, so that percentage error in the measurement of Lx and Lr are minimum and nearly the same. Number 2. The experiment is repeated by interchanging the positions of unknown resistance capital X and known resistance box capital R. Number 3. Jockey should be tapped on the wire and not slided. We use jockey to detect whether there is a current through the central branch. This is possible only by tapping the jockey. In a question 7, in a Wheatstone's meter bridge experiment, the null point is obtained in middle one-third portion of wire. Why is it recommended? Answer. To minimize the errors in a Wheatstone meter bridge experiment, the null point is obtained in middle one-third portion of wire. The value of R is so adjusted that the null point is obtained to middle one-third of wire between 34 cm and 66 cm, so that percentage error in the measurement of Lx and Lr are minimum and nearly the same.